continues to reflect the seasonal cooling with both a reduction in buyer showings and a decreased inventory. Currently, there are only 175 homes for sale in all of the Annapolis zip codes, priced between $189,000 and $19,995,000 at a median sales price that is down to $580,000, and days on the market are up to 73 days. 67 of these homes have had recent price reductions. It's Friday, September 24th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Fewer homes came to the market over this past week, and inventory remains cool. Here's the actual breakdown. 32 homes were listed for sale, 23 homes are coming soon, 18 homes went under contract, 36 were taken off of the market, 14 moved to pending, and 30 homes sold with a median price point of $442,500. Hillsmere Estates had the highest sale from this past week. This waterfront home that sold for $1,350,000. Rental inventory is down again to just 21 homes listed at a median price of $2,700 and up to an average of 33 days thus far. Another indication that even the rental market is cooling off going into this fall. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 24th, 2021. Thanks for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and be sure to subscribe for new content. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Take care.